Best plastic trim adhesives restore loose car trims, ensure durable bonding, resist heat and moisture, and maintain a clean factory finish. My today's video is about top 5 best plastic trim adhesives for cars that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Kuzili Double-Sided Tape Heavy Duty. This heavy-duty double-sided mounting tape delivers impressive holding power for automotive, home, and office applications. With a strong acrylic foam construction, it provides excellent flexibility and durability while supporting up to 3 pounds per 2 inches of tape. The 36.5-foot length offers great value for large projects, making it ideal for attaching car spoilers, trim pieces, LED panels, wall hooks, and decorative items without using screws or drills. Its waterproof and temperature-resistant design performs reliably in outdoor conditions. Bathrooms, kitchens, and vehicles exposed to heat, moisture, or heavy rain. The tape is also easy to apply and allows repositioning before full compression, giving users extra installation accuracy. Adhesion strength continues, improving over 72 hours for a secure long-term bond. Another standout feature is its versatility across glass, metal, ABS, PVC, and other smooth surfaces. Overall, this mounting tape combines convenience, strength, and durability, making it an excellent alternative to traditional fasteners. Now our second product is Bielina 3-meter double-sided tape heavy duty. The 3M 5925 heavy-duty double-sided tape stands out as a premium mounting solution for automotive, industrial, and household applications. Built with durable acrylic foam, adhesive, and viscoelastic properties, it delivers an exceptionally strong bond capable of replacing screws, rivets, and liquid adhesives. Its flexibility and vibration resistance make it especially effective for automotive trim, spoilers, moldings, and will lips. One of the biggest advantages of this tape is its outstanding weatherproof performance. It resists water, moisture, UV exposure, heat, and cold while maintaining long-lasting adhesion indoors and outdoors. The tape bonds securely to metals, plastics, glass, composites, and painted surfaces, making it highly versatile for demanding projects. Installation is straightforward when surfaces are properly cleaned and pressure is applied during bonding. The adhesive strength increases over time, reaching maximum durability after 72 hours. Overall, 3M 5925 tape offers professional-grade reliability, clean installation, and exceptional holding power for both commercial and personal use. Our third product is Gesenven Double-Sided Tape Heavy Duty. This heavy-duty double-sided mounting tape delivers impressive performance for automotive, household, and industrial applications. With a practical 1/2 inch width and strong acrylic foam construction, it offers excellent adhesion, durability, and flexibility for a wide range of projects. The tape bonds securely to smooth surfaces like glass, metal, plastic, marble, tiles, and wood, making it ideal for car trims, LED lights, mirrors, picture frames, signs, and office decorations. Its waterproof and temperature-resistant design makes it highly reliable for both indoor and outdoor use. The sealed foam structure helps resist moisture, heat, and abrasion, making it especially useful in kitchens, bathrooms, garages, and automotive environments. Another major advantage is the clean installation process. No drilling, screws, glue, or heating required. The tape is easy to cut and apply while maintaining strong long-term holding power without leaving residue behind. Overall, this mounting tape is a versatile, durable, and convenient solution for professional and DIY mounting needs. Now number 4, FixBear Pro Plus Heat Resistant Heavy Duty. This heavy-duty double-sided tape delivers exceptional bonding strength for demanding automotive, household, and workshop applications. Designed with professional-grade adhesion, it provides a secure hold for hooks, signs, carpets, trims, decorations, and repair projects without the need for screws or drilling. Its strong grip remains dependable even under pressure, making it ideal for long-term mounting tasks. One of the standout features is its excellent heat resistance. The tape performs reliably in hot environments, such as garages, workshops, and near engine compartments without softening or losing adhesion. It is also weatherproof and UV-resistant, allowing it to withstand moisture, temperature changes, and outdoor conditions with ease. Despite its powerful hold, the tape removes cleanly without leaving sticky residue or damaging surfaces. The included film remover makes installation fast and frustration-free. For heavier objects, using an adhesive promoter significantly boosts bonding performance. Overall, this tape combines durability, convenience, and professional-level strength for versatile indoor and outdoor use. And our last choice is Hit Light's double-sided tape heavy-duty. This heavy-duty acrylic foam tape delivers impressive industrial strength performance for automotive, electronics, and home mounting applications. Developed with Hit Light's specialized acrylic adhesive formula, it creates a powerful molecular bond that provides long-lasting durability and reliable holding strength of up to 1 pound per inch of tape. Its strong adhesion works exceptionally well on smooth surfaces such as glass, metal, tile, marble, ABS, PVC, and automotive trim pieces. One of the standout features is its excellent weather resistance. The tape maintains secure bonding performance in extreme temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 150 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor environments. Its flexible and viscoelastic acrylic foam construction also helps absorb vibration and reduce noise, which is especially beneficial for automotive and electronic installations. Installation is quick and hassle-free with no drilling, screws, glue, or heat required. The thick protective backing is easy to peel, while the seamless hidden finish gives projects a clean and professional appearance. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.